Hello, Mario! In this video, 14, floor plan 6, we're going to put in the windows into the plan that we've got. So let's crank on over there and start working on the windows. So here we go here. Here's our floor plan here. I'm going to go back into model space and I'm just going to turn off the wall hatch. I've got that in there, I know that's all good in there, so yeah, we'll turn it off. And let's create a new layer, and this layer is going to be, new layer, it's going to be Windows. Windows. Okay, and we'll make that the current layer at this point in time. Oh, now let's see. Oh, Windows is turned off because it duplicated the current layer, which was turned off. So let's get that all sorted there. Okay, so Windows layer is now on. It's all good, and let's just go to there like that. Now, for this Windows layer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do the Windows layers as a block. And the window layer that's going in here is a 1400 window. So I'm actually going to draw the window as a block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the current layer for this layer 0, because that's where we draw our block layers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, okay, I'm going to draw a line from there to there to there to there to there. Okay, and then I'm going to offset these two side lines by 50 mils. Okay, because they're there, so that's going to be that one there. I think I'll take this top one like that. Oops. So we're just going to go there. I'll take the top one, I'm assuming that's the most recently drawn one, and I'll take the top one here and assume that's the most recently drawn one. And what I'm going to do is, at this point, just to check things out, I'm going to isolate that layer. So I'm going to select our layer 0 there, and I'm just going to isolate it, and that's it there. So that's what our window's looking like. So I'm just working on a window there. That's actually a 1400 window there, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line in here, and this represents the glass, but that's the middle of the glass. I actually want to have two lines in there, so I'm going to go with a 4mm glass. So I'm going to go offset, enter, and I'm going to go with a 2mm offset either side of that bit of line there, like that. And then I'm also going to go in here and put that one in there like that, and then I'm going to actually delete that one. Delete. Okay, and that there is going to be my window. Now these are the two little bits at the end of the joinery there. This is the glass in the middle, and then obviously a window fits into a wall, so it has a wall line above and below it, but we're going to just make that all as part of the window. So that's my window there, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that into a block. and I'm going to call it insert create block, and this block is going to be window, and I'm going to call it the window 1400. Now 1400 wide window, because we've got quite a few of those, so I'm going to put that in there like that. Okay, so now I'm going to select some objects, which I'm just going to select all of it. That's going to be our window. Enter. Okay, and a pick point, and I'll just take that point there, retain, and I'm just going to, I'm going to convert it to a block. Convert it to a block, and then I'm going to go OK. Okay, right, and as you can see now, that there is in layer 0, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to now put it into the Windows layer. Close, like so, and then I'm just going to go up here and unisolate. Okay, so now there, when we click on there, that shows up as a block reference, and it's in the Windows layer, and it's the block reference is window 1400. So that's that window in there, like so. All good. Alright, so now we've got some other 1400 windows to put in. So there's a 1400 window here, so we can just go insert 1400 window, and well, can just put it there, right? And then we can just rotate about that point there. Boom, there's that window in. Okay, so what other 1400 windows have we got? There's a 1400 in here, so that should fit in here. So we just go just do the insert, insert window 1400. We'll just put that in there, and then we just rotate about there. Boom, that's done in there. There's that 1400 window in there. 1200, there's a 1400 over here. Recent import, insert 1400 window. That's just going straight in there like that. That's all good. It's a 1400. No. Oh, we've got a 1400 up over here. No, just get insert 1400 window. Put one there. Rotate. I just might have. Just might have got something a little bit. Yes, I'm not putting them into the right layer. So let's just get them, all these ones that we've put in here, all of these 1400 windows. Oh, they should all be in the Windows layer, not the layer 0. Layer 0 is only for drawing blocks. Okay, so we draw the block in layer 0, but so the window, we want it in the Windows layer. Okay, so that's our Windows layer there. Okay, so we've got a 1400 there. We've got 2 in the kitchen, and that's it. So Let's just make sure we're home, and let's just make sure we're working in the Windows layer. Okay, like that. Now the beauty of the using the layer 0 and the Windows layer is that if, say for instance, we went to the Windows layer, properties, and we changed the color of the Windows layer, let's just say we change it to red, they'll all change to red. All the windows will change to red, because although in the block they were done in 0, so there's all our windows in red. I'll just put that back to how it should be. I'll leave it like that, so that might be quite helpful. So right, let's just get these, we're over 10 minutes here. I'll just get these windows in here, insert window 1400 and in there, and insert escape here, insert window 1400 can go in there as well. Okay, so that's all the 1400 windows. So what I'm going to do in the break between this and the next video is I'll create blocks for the other windows, and I'll put all those in, and then in the next video we'll create blocks for the doors and put all the doors in. So this just perpetuates the idea that you should only have to draw these windows once. So we've got a 1400 window there for whatever drawing we do now. So if we want to say draw another house, we can use the 1400 window block from this house and all the houses that we draw from here on in. So there you go, all good. Cheers, see you.